Namaskar. Good morning, everyone. So we have already started chapter 11, Earth, Sun, and Moon. Please open your textbook. I hope that you all have opened your textbook. Page number 141, 141. I have given, let's remember, in homework. I hope that you all have done that. That we solve first and then we move ahead. Till then, I take your presentation. Wait a minute, children. There is I have one number 98257 40051. Who is that? Please write your name. I unmute him or her. Please, what's your name, beta? Hello. Okay, now I take your presentation. Atman Gami, Arav Ranpura, Alexia Joint, Hans Anil Kumar, Archan, Aryan Yadav, then Ayush Hua. After that, Bharvi Gami, Tev Padalia, Dharm Barasra, Bhuvil Modi, Yani Gami, Yani Patel. After that, Happy Pandit, Jenil Bopalia, Jenil Sanja, Ria Ardeshna, Kavya Bhua, Mahi Mendpara, Manan Jain, Mihir Popper. After that, Nancy Parsudia, Native Nishad, Nitya Tilwa, Om Akashania, Parth Kundaria, Rudra Aghara, Shanvi Aghara, Slok Aghara, Slok Adruja, Slok Adruja, Shreya Masjaria, Shreya Patel, Dev Jetloja, Visha Aghara, Yana Dhamshania, Yashvi Sheta, Yatri Vilpara, Sandhya Jalaria, and Hasti Panara. These all are present. Okay, children, shall we start? So let's remember that I have given you in homework. Just we solve it now. If your answer is correct, then it's okay. If your answer is incorrect, then please correct it. Circle the odd one out. Give a reason for your choice. First one, comet, asteroids, Uranus, satellite. You have to circle satellite. आंसर इज सैटेलाइट को सर्कल करना है. रीजन, it is a celestial body that orbits a planet. Second one, orbit Saturn, meteors, Neptune. Reason, we have to circle meteors. Now why we have to do that? Circle meteors. These are stones from space. That's why. Next one now. Please check in your textbook. Water, air, soil, orbit. Circle orbit. Vision. It is fixed path in which planets revolve. That's why we do the circle on orbit. Now third one, oceans, comets, mountains, valleys. You have to circle comets. Why? Reason, it is in solar system. That's why we have to run circle. Fourth one, crust, mantle, core, orbit. Have to circle orbit. It is fixed path in which planets revolve around sun. Okay, if this you have written, then correct. If there is any incorrect, please correct it. Let us move now to page number 142. Everyone, please attention in your textbook. Everyone, let me unmute any one of you. Wait. I would like to unmute Rubin Modi. I unmute already unmute. Please on your video, Rubin. Rubin, please on your video.
Yes, sir.
Here, Adeshna, please off your video, beta. Please read, beta.
Okay, sir. Sun. The sun is the star that is closest to the earth, about 150 million kilometers away. It is a huge ball of fire during gases. The sun has a thin layer.
Please read again. Please, Rubin.
Okay,
Please
sir.
read again.
The sun is the star that is closest to the earth, about 150 million kilometers away. It is a huge ball of fire during gases. The sun has a thin...
Hot लिखा है, fire नहीं लिखा है बेटा, hot लिखा है, hot. Ball of hot.
Hot. And during gases, the sun has a thin layer of atmosphere called corona.
Corona.
Corona. It
corona.
is corona. It is the corona that we sometimes see during the solar eclipse.
हाँ ध्रुवी प्लीज बेटा रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस करना है आपको. सम ऑफ द वर्ड.
Okay, sir.
ओके बेटा. थैंक यू बेटा.
Okay, sir.
Now we understand this paragraph. We know that the sun voice coming. Okay. The sun, we know that sun is the star that is closest to the earth. अर्थ से सबसे नजदीक का स्टार है. And about 150 million kilometers away. हमसे कितना दूर है? 150 million kilometers. And it is a huge ball, बहुत बड़ा huge ball of what? Burning gases. Gases से बना हुआ है. The sun, और वो भी कैसे gases? Burning gases. The sun has a thin layer of atmosphere called the corona. सन को thin layer एक आया हुआ है एटमोस्फियर का. That is called corona. अभी जो कोरोना है वो नहीं. It is this corona that we sometimes see during the solar eclipse. Sometimes the solar eclipse के टाइम पर ये उसका thin layer दिखाई देता है. Okay? The sea, the hot burning gases, there is a diagram is given in that book, Surface of the Sun. Now, I would like to unmute to anyone, other children, for the reading. I would like to unmute randomly Yani Patel. Yani, please, on your video, I already unmute you. Yani Patel. Network problem, maybe she has. Okay, another children. Mahi Sheta. Mahi Sheta, I will meet you. Please on your video and read the next paragraph.
Coming. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Mahi.
Hello, sir. Your voice is not coming. Hello. Hello, sir.
Mahi. My voice is
Sir.
clear, Mahi. My
Sir,
voice
but
is
I
clear.
can't. Hello, sir. Sir, I can't listen you.
Okay.
Hello.
Another children I unmute. My voice is very clear, beta. I am with another children now. Mahi Mendupara. Please read next paragraph. Please on your video, beta. Mahi Mendupara. I already unmute you, beta. Mahi Mendupara. Okay. I unmute now another children. Manan Jain, please on your video, beta, and read the next paragraph. Manan Jain.
Yes, sir.
Please read the next paragraph. Please on your video.
Okay, sir.
Manan Jain, please
Yes, sir.
on your video, beta.
One second. Sir, I am trying, but it is not opening.
Okay, then you read the paragraph, next paragraph.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Manan, start it now, beta.
In order of increasing distance.
Please, beta, where we reach? Please, 1 minute, Manan. Please, where we reach? You don't know, beta?
Sir,
Page number
Hello?
142. Page number 142. Second paragraph, beta.
okay. The
Please.
spherical sun has a diameter of about 13,92,000 kilometers. The sun is so big that a million Earths could fit into it, but it is still considered small because stars are usually much larger. In fact, the sun is called a dwarf star.
Very good. Fine. Keep it up, Manan.
Thanks,
Good.
sir.
The spherical sun shape is spherical, and its diameter of about 13,92,000 kilometers. That is its diameter. And it is so big that a million Earths, हमारी जो अर्थ से ऐसी मिलियन अर्थ उसमें फिट हो सकती, बट इट इज स्टिल कंसिडर्ड स्मॉल. फिर भी हमको यहाँ से स्मॉल दिखता है बिकॉज स्टार्स आर यूजुअली मच लार्जर अवे फ्रॉम अस. वो बहुत बड़े हैं स्टार्स, पर हमसे बहुत दूर है. दैट्स व्हाई इट लुक्स वेरी स्मॉल टू अस. In fact, the sun is called a dwarf star. Right? Then there is one fact file given. I'm reading it. The temperature at the center of the sun is about 1.5 billion degrees Celsius. सन के सेंटर में टेम्परेचर कितना है? 1.5 बिलियन डिग्री सेल्सियस. एंड ऑन द सरफेस, उसकी सरफेस पर 6,000 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर. राइट? ओके चिल्ड्रन, आई unmute any other children. Read the next paragraph. I would like to unmute Om Prakashaniya. I unmute him. And please
Yes,
on your
sir.
video, Om Prakashaniya. Please on your video.
The sun is made up of mainly hydrogen and a gas called helium. At the center of the Sun, also known as the core, hydrogen changes into helium. This process releases a large amount of heat and light energy, together called solar energy. It is this light and heat that we receive on Earth. Solar energy is the most important source of energy for man. It is also
It is
almost
almost
well
inexhaustible.
inexhaustible. Well, it might get over, but not for another several billion years at least.
Very good. Keep it up. Fine.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So let us understand this diagram. The sun is made up of mainly hydrogen and a gas called helium. सन किसका बना है? उसमें दो गैस का बना है, हाइड्रोजन एंड हीलियम गैस से बना है. वो गैस का नाम है हाइड्रोजन एंड हीलियम. And at the center of the sun, that means it is called core. सन का जो सेंटर है उसको कोर बोलते हैं. हाइड्रोजन चेंजेस इनटू हीलियम. हाइड्रोजन चेंज होता है हीलियम में, रिएक्शन. Right? This process releases a large amount of heat, light energy. ये जो प्रोसेस है हाइड्रोजन कन्वर्ट इनटू हीलियम, उससे बहुत बड़ी अमाउंट में हीट प्रोड्यूस होती है, लाइट एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होती है. इट इज दिस लाइट एंड हीट दैट वी रिसीव ऑन अर्थ. यही लाइट और इसकी हीट हम अर्थ से उसको रिसीव करते हैं, हमको मिलती है अर्थ सन की. सोलर एनर्जी इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी for all human beings, for the planet of Earth. And it is almost inexhaustible. Inexhaustible means something that will never finish or get completely used up. That is called inexhaustible. कभी खत्म नहीं. ये solar energy we get every day. There is one video owned by this Vinil Bopalia. Is Vinil Bopalia offshore video? Vinil Bopalia. Vinil Bopalia, please, offshore video. There is some screen jam. So let us move for another paragraph, children. I would like to unmute any of you randomly. Janine Gopalia, please off your video. Now, Bharvi Gami, I unmute you. Please on your video.
Sir.
Please on your
Yes.
video, beta,
Okay, sir.
and read the next paragraph.
Okay, sir. 1 minute. Sir, on which page number?
You don't know, beta? You have to attention in book, beta.
Sorry, sir.
Page number 142, Moon. Page number 142, Moon.
Okay, sir. Sir, last paragraph or last second?
Last second paragraph.
Moon. Moon. The moon
Yes.
is also spherical like the sun and the planets. The moon is made of rocks and has no air on it. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Its distance from the earth is about 384,400 kilometers. The moon does not have any light of its own. The moonlight we see is actually reflected sunlight.
Very good reading. Fine.
Thus,
Are we? Fine, beta. Keep it up.
thank
So
you.
let us understand that paragraph. Moon is also spherical shape like sun and planets, and is made up of rocks and has no air on it. There is no air on the moon. And the moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Earth का natural satellite. Its distance from the earth about 384,400 kilometers. And the interesting thing that the moon does not have any light of its own. moon को अपना खुद का light नहीं. The moonlight we see, it actually reflected sunlight. जो हम मून को चमकते हुए देखते हैं, वो एक्चुअली सनलाइट जो रिफ्लेक्ट होता है उसके सरफेस पर गिर के, वो इसलिए मून हमको चमकता हुआ दिखता है, राइट. एंड there is one last discuss written in the textbook. You see, all of you. Do you think life can exist on the moon? Why or why not? Can anyone tell me the answer? I would like to meet anyone of, please. I would like to. Yashvi Seta. Okay, Yashvi, I unmute you. Yashvi Seta, wait a minute. Find you and then unmute you. Okay, beta, 1 minute. This means yes. Okay, beta, I unmute you, beta, and please on your video.
Yes, sir. I have on my video. Sir, on moon the life cannot be exist because, sir, there is no air, and if there is no air, so there is no oxygen because the air is the mixture of different gases. So people cannot stay on the earth, moon, and there is no water and anything there is not.
Fine. Good answer. Keep it up. Yes, please.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
answer. Fine, beta. So let's move to another paragraph. Children, I would like to unmute Atman Gami. Please on your video. Atman
Yes,
Gami,
sir.
please on your video and read next paragraph.
Okay, sir. Sir, ये basis of moon वाला.
No, you don't know, beta, where we reach. Did you open your
सर मेरा
textbook or not?
सर मेरा ना स्क्रीन पॉज हो गई थी आपकी.
अच्छा ठीक है. Page number 142, last paragraph. Page number 142,
Okay, sir.
last paragraph.
Sir, surface of moon.
Yes, beta.
The surface of a moon is dry and dusty and is covered with craters, mountains and valleys. Craters are formed when solid bodies are meteorites crash into the
Mandatory
moon's
नहीं है
surface.
बेटा. Meteorites है. Please.
Meteorites crash
Meteorite.
into moon's surface. The oldest craters were formed billions of craters were formed billions of years ago. There is no air or water on the moon. As such, no sound can be heard. Sound need a medium
Science
to
नहीं है बेटा.
travel.
Since. Science नहीं है. Since है बेटा.
Okay, sir. Since sounds need a medium to travel, the moon also has gravity with which it pulls all objects towards its center. The gravity of moon is about 1/6 the gravity of Earth. Basis of moon.
Okay,
When
but
the
इतना ही. Stop now.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Okay. Good.
Thank you, sir.
So, surface of the moon. Now let us explain this, understand this paragraph. The surface of the moon कैसी है? Moon की surface कैसी है? Dry and dusty and craters.
Sir, I have a
I
doubt.
already told. हाँ बोलो बेटा.
सर
कौन बोल रहे हैं?
सर अभी इस चैप्टर के हार्डवर्क सर ये अर्चन बोल रहा है.
हाँ बोलिए.
सर आपने ये जो चैप्टर है ना सन मून और अर्थ का आपने उसके हार्डवर्क क्यों नहीं भेजे?
हार्डवर्क आज भेजेंगे बेटा. हाँ आज
हाँ
भेजेंगे.
सर हम ये कीवर्ड लिख सकते हैं?
हाँ बेटा मैं दूंगा आपको होमवर्क में. ओके.
ओके सर. Sir, Mahi want to say something. Please unmute off.
हाँ बोलिए. माही. हेलो. Just we understand this paragraph and then I unmute you. Surface of the moon. Moon की surface कैसी है? Dry and dusty and is covered with craters. Craters that I already told that. Craters means deep जो खड्डे होते हैं उसके ऊपर moon के surface के ऊपर. That is called craters. Mountains and valleys उसके ऊपर आई हुई है. Craters are formed. अब ये craters कैसे form होते हैं? When solid bodies called meteorites crashed into the moon's surface. मून की सरफेस पर बड़े बड़े जो स्टोन्स तो मेटेओराइट्स बोलते हैं, वो जब क्रैश होते हैं उसके ऊपर गिरते हैं तब ये क्रैटर्स प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, राइट. द ओल्डेस्ट क्रैटर्स वेयर फॉर्म बिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स अगो. सबसे पुराने जो क्रैटर्स उसके ऊपर है वो बिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स अगो फॉर्म हुए. देयर इज नो एयर और वाटर ऑन द मून. मून के ऊपर वाटर या तो एयर नहीं है. साइंटिस्ट आर ट्राइंग टू गेट मोर इंफॉर्मेशन and more mission on moon by the countries. Our India has also sent spacecraft.
Yes, sir, what is the meaning of a craters?
Craters, that I already told beta. That's big खड्डे जो होते हैं, बिग खड्डे पड़ जाते हैं मून की सरफेस पर. देखो आपको साइड में पिक्चर भी दिया है. Craters on the moon's surface. Did you see that?
Yes, sir. ये जो पेड़ बोले ना,
craters, that is craters. Let us move ahead. As such, no sound can be heard. Since sound needs a medium to travel. इसलिए मून के ऊपर साउंड सुनाई देता नहीं है. बिकॉज वी नो दैट साउंड नीड्स अ मीडियम. साउंड ट्रैवल करने के लिए मीडियम की जरूरत होती है. मून ऑल्सो हैज ग्रेविटी. उनको भी ग्रेविटी है जैसे अर्थ को है वैसे. और इट पुल्स ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर. सेंटर की तरफ ऑल द ऑब्जेक्ट्स को वो अट्रैक्ट करता है. The gravity of moon is about 1/6 the gravity of the earth. मून की ग्रेविटी कितनी है? 1/6 है अर्थ की ग्रेविटी से. Okay. Now we move for the next paragraph. I would like to unmute any one of you randomly. I would like to unmute Jenil Sanja. Jenil Sanja, please on your video, please. Jenil Sanja. Jenil Sanja is there? Yes, is there, but okay. Another children now. Jia Ardeshna. I unmute you. Please on your video.
નીચે બોટલ માથે પડતી અહીંયા રાખી પડે ને અહીંયા ભેગી જાય હું પછી પડ્યા પછી કરી લ્યો પડી.
Yeah, there is some voice coming. Yeah, I already unmute you, beta.
yes, sir.
Please on your video and start the reading. Next paragraph.
Yes, sir, I speak. Phasing of the moon.
Phasic नहीं है बेटा, phases. Phases of the moon.
The moon. When the moon revolves around the earth, its phase appears to change day by day. The change shape of the moon are called shapes of the moon.
Phases of the moon. Phases of the moon. Good. Okay.
सर
Okay,
ये
dear.
ready करना है?
हाँ, वो कहाँ से करना है? हाँ, फुल मून से. फुल मून से करो और ऊपर की तरफ जाओ. एरो जहाँ पे है वैसे फुल मून से स्टार्ट करो. और फुल मून तक आओ.
फुल मून ना सर?
हाँ, फुल मून से.
फुल मून सर उसका ब्रैकेट वाला रीड करना है?
हाँ जी बेटा. हाँ.
Full moon. One side of the moon is totally visible. More than half of the moon is visible. half moon. Only a small
portion
of the moon is visible. New moon. The moon is not visible at all. Only a small protection of the moon is visible. And half moon. But more than half of the moon is visible.
Okay, yeah, fine.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, ये लेटेस्ट ऑफ द मून वाला नहीं करना है ना रीड?
No, beta. Now, let us understand this paragraph.
Sir, let's remember एक बार बोलो ना, आपकी आवाज कट हो रही थी.
Let's remember बेटा, मैं ऑलरेडी भेजूंगा आपको PDF में. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So let us understand this paragraph. Phases of the moon. When the moon revolves around the earth, we know that moon is a satellite of the earth, natural satellite, and revolves around the earth. Its shape appears to change day by day. उसका shape day by day change होता है. The changing shape of the moon are called phases of the moon. ये जो चेंज होता है उसका शेप में, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? फेजेस ऑफ द मून. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड फुल मून. आपको डायग्राम दिया हुआ है. तो फुल मून में हम देखते हैं जो उसकी सरफेस वन साइड ऑफ द मून इज टोटली विजिबल, पूरी दिखती है हमको सामने, राइट. उसके बाद क्या एरो करके दिया है ऊपर, मोर देन हाफ ऑफ द मून इज विजिबल. उसके बाद के डे हाफ से ज्यादा मून हमको विजिबल होता है, दिखाई देता है. उसके बाद एक एरो किया है और हाफ मून लिखा है, उसमें हमको हाफ मून दिखाई देता है. उसके बाद एक एरो किया है और नीचे आए तो ओनली ए स्मॉल पोर्शन ऑफ द मून इज विजिबल. थोड़ा सा पोर्शन दिखाई देता है, बाकी का पोर्शन हमको दिखाई देता नहीं मून का. उसके बाद जब हम नीचे आएंगे, एरो दिया हुआ है, आप प्लीज ध्यान से देख लीजिए सब. न्यू मून in bracket, the moon is not visible at all. ये दिन को मून विजिबल होता नहीं है, पूरा दिखाई देता नहीं है हमको. That is called अमास, जो उसको हम अमास बोलते हैं. एंड फुल मून को हम बोलते हैं पूनम, राइट. फुल मून को बोलते हैं हम पूनम. उसके बाद एक एरो करके नीचे दिया हुआ है, ओनली ए स्मॉल पोर्शन ऑफ द मून इज विजिबल. थोड़ा सा पोर्शन मून का उनके बाद के दिन, अमास के बाद के दिन दिखाई देगा. उसके बाद फिर से हाफ मून दिखाई देगा, विजिबल होगा. उसके बाद फिर से मोर देन हाफ ऑफ द मून इज विजिबल. हाफ से ज्यादा मून की फेजेस हमको दिखाई देगी. और उसके बाद फिर से अगेन फुल मून हमको विजिबल होगा. दैट इज वन साइड ऑफ द मून. अदर साइड हमको नहीं दिखती है मून. हमारे सामने जो साइड होती है मून की, वो हमको दिखाई देती है. दैट साइड इज विजिबल टोटली ऑन फुल मून. आई होप द चिल्ड्रन यू ऑल आर अंडरस्टैंड वेरी वेल, एंड आई विल सेंड PDF. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट.
Yes, sir.
And we now depart. Bye everyone. Goodbye. Goodbye
Have a
everyone.
nice day,
Have a nice
sir.
day. Have a nice day to all.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.